Yeah, it's almost dinner time, yo. That's Tuski. Handle that brewski. Look, I'ma take my glasses off. It's been a minute since I heard from God, yo. I gotta take some time off to reconstruct this planet, cause I believe it's going off course. You know how I do, and I ain't gotta read from the source. And yo, I write my own rhymes, and right now I'm taking time to come off head with these lines and get dropped like a dime, yo. Whack, go somewhere, keep committing crimes. Or you first you said you was a crack dealer, why you trying to rhyme? I'm getting tired of your cats coming in the game, stealing personas. Yeah, you need to get your head ripped off, and I'm beyond you. Y'all cats can never follow my lead, get hit. Pussies bleed all day like menstrual cramps. It's the menstrual show with y'all cats that can lick like food stamps. You don't want no parts of this, fam. Get blammed all day, beat lyrically and mentally. My acronyms will leave him dizzy. All that little punchline shit you saying sounds sweet like fruit punch. Wahoo, Yazoo, bomb you too when your whole crew can get melted like 10 pounds of chocolate, dude. What the fuck y'all want from me? I come electrifying, it's like putting your fingers in sockets. Who want what? I don't give a damn no more. Your niggas whack, that's word to your main chick. Get fixed like, you know how I get like Bill Bixby, rip shit consecutively. Old school, new school, it ain't no rules. Cause to me, all y'all dummies is fools. What?